Guys, it's your old pal Corey here, CinciNationStudios in the house. You already know what the business is. Anyways, coming at you with another video. This one I'm a little stoked about. I got my little nifty Escort radar detector up there, which has live GPS and all that good stuff. So that's solid. And then I got the Cobb cold air intake system. I put that in today, and then I had the Cobb exhaust put on as well, which I did not get a before and after clip. You know, like I didn't get, you know, revving up the car stock with the camera being behind the exhaust. However, if you go back to the previous videos, you can hear how the car sounds as I'm driving and so on and so forth. And this is how it sounds now. Wait for it. Wait for it. Alright. So, as you can hear, it's got a lot dronier sound to it, a lot deeper, throatier sound, which sounds amazing. I'm going to show you guys the exhaust. It looks amazing. And, you know, Cobb makes amazing exhausts. I mean, they look absolutely amazing. They're made out of amazing material. But with that being said, let's hop out and look at it. You know what I'm saying? So let's check this out real quick. I'm gonna go back here and see what we got going on back here. So we got the Cobb exhaust, as you can see. Let's see if I can get it in the sunlight here. Exhaust is fogging up the camera lens on me. But anyways, now it's got the two out the center instead of the one. The stock one looked like an HDMI plug to me. Let's see if we can kind of get an underneath the car look at it. So that's what it looks like. It runs all the way up to the front, and it sounds freaking epic. So super happy with it. Well worth the money. I'm glad I spent the extra money to get the Cobb exhaust because it sounds awesome. So yeah, that's it right there. I'll give you guys a quick rev. Hold on. Set the tripod down real quick. So yeah, guys, that is the sound of the new Cobb exhaust with the intake. You can't really hear the intake noise from back there, of course, but you can definitely hear it while I'm driving. I'll get a GoPro video out. I'll release this one. This is just gonna be a short video, you know, just because I was up all night last night working on different things. I haven't slept yet, so I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need to eat, I need to sleep, and so on and so forth. So I want to get you guys this video so that you can hear the exhaust. I will do a video where I'm driving the car so that you guys can kind of compare how it sounded before in the cab, you know, with the blow-off valve and the stock intake without the box on it instead of the Cobb. cold air intake. So anyways, yeah, we'll do a drive, because when you're driving, the car sounds a little bit different than it does when it sits still. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you're all having an amazing, beautiful, wonderful day, living your lives to the fullest, following your heart, following your dreams, following your goals, doing you, being you, and, you know, just living and loving life. And as always, guys, you're all amazing, you're all beautiful, you're all special in your own way. Don't let anybody tell you anything different. Live your lives to the fullest, and don't forget to keep it real, speak that trust, and peace in the world. Alright guys, I will catch you on the next one.